In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a table in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself working on a document and needed to rearrange your tables, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start off, make sure you have your Google Doc open with the table you'd like to move. Once you're in the document, you'll first want to locate the table. You might have several tables in a single document, so ensure you have identified the correct one you wish to move. Next, click anywhere inside the table that you want to move. Doing this will prompt a border to appear around the table, with a small square icon at the top left corner of the table. This square is what you'll use to move the table within your document. Keep in mind that hovering over this square will change your cursor to a four-headed arrow, indicating that the table is ready to be moved. When you're ready, click and hold this small square icon. Now, here's an important tip. As you're holding the icon, you can gently drag the entire table to your desired location. Don't release the mouse button until you reach the exact spot where you want to place your table. You'll notice guidelines might appear, helping you to align the table accurately with other elements in your document, making it quite easy to maintain a neat, organized look. Also, be cautious not to move the table too fast or jerkily. Doing so may cause misalignment or unintended changes in the document layout. A slow and steady pace will provide you with more control over where the table lands. In addition, if you find the table's positioning is slightly off, you can always adjust it by clicking and dragging again using the same process. Iteratively check your document to ensure the table is where you need it to be. Now, if you have headers or other crucial text near where you place the table, make sure that you leave a decent margin or space between the text and your table. This ensures your document remains readable and well-structured. Before finalizing, it's a good practice to do a scroll-through of your document just to see the alignment and overall layout. This way, you can make any minor adjustments and achieve that perfectly formatted document. And there you have it. We've covered how to move a table in Google Docs smoothly and efficiently. By following these simple but detailed steps, organizing your content and maintaining a fluid design in your documents should now be a breeze. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to practice this method a few times to become fluent in rearranging tables as per your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.